Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami, and today I'll be doing a little makeup haul. I received some goodies in the mail recently, and if you would like to see what I purchased, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I ordered some makeup palettes from Morphe. They had a sale recently. Well, not recently. Not recently, child, because when did I make this order? I made this order on first week of April. It doesn't say because it was giving me an update on the 8th. I can't find any emails before then, but I made this order a while now, but you know, due to COVID-19, a lot of stuff have been delayed. I guess they're short-staffed and everything, so it took a minute. They had a nice little sale. I ordered 3 makeup palettes, and in total they all came up to $65. And I'm gonna open it up to show you what I received. And let me see if it says it. Okay, I made my order on the 6th of April, and my order came and was delivered to me on the 25th of April, so it took a hot minute. So I would say that they had a sale. I would have promoted the sale, but the sale is done left, child. There's no more sale. But I ordered the Makin Bank Artistry palette, the 18B. I ordered the 39A Dare to Create Artistry palette, and the 3503 Fierce by Nature Artistry palette. So I ordered those 3 things, and of course, as I told you, it was $65.22 in total. I get excited about makeup. I was so excited when it came in, but I couldn't film it right away. So the first palette I received, this is the 18B Makin Bank palette, and I got this one for $11. But yeah, this one is more on the green side. Definitely do some swatches for you to see what it is. So, of course, the names are on the glass. They taped it on. Let's see if I can take it out. I hate when they have the names just on this thing, because you're gonna lose it. I've already lost the James Charles one, so I know I'm gonna lose this one. That's just one thing. Like, put it on the back, or put it underneath the bottom or something. I just don't like when it's like this. It's just one thing. But yeah, let's see. Mostly on the green side. I mainly picked this one because it had like cute gold, like let me see which one this one is. The solid gold color really caught my eye, and I purchased the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. This one I got it for $25. So this one was for $25. So again, I don't remember what the colors look like, but this is just screaming orange and yellows. Oh, that is so pretty. That's like a lot of orange and pinks. That is so pretty. And And again, it had to have gold because for my eyeshadows, I really love gold colors. So definitely had to have gold. But I really love this color. And the last one, this one was the 39A Dare to Create palette. And this one I got for $19. This one kind of reminds me of the smaller one. I don't even know, child. It has some blues, some greens, some gold. It's more like on the brown side. So this is it. So that 3503 palette is definitely my favorite, but I think I can get some looks out of this one too. And I got it because I didn't really have much blues, so the blues seemed really pretty, especially these right here. Really nice. But yeah, these are what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can pull a look together from the 3503. So I'm gonna go ahead and go for my 3503 palette. And again, so you can see a little bit more up close. This one so far is my fave. I'm gonna go ahead and head peeve, y'all. Head peeve. So I'm just taking Hypnotic with warning label, and I'm blending those two together, and I'm just putting that in the crease of my eyes. And then I'm just using another fluffy eyeshadow brush just to blend. So there's nothing on this brush, I'm just blending. Again, I wish they still had this set because it was so inexpensive, but they took it off the site. But I guess they still have the brushes, I just don't know the numbers to let you guys know what the numbers are. So I'm just blending out. And it does have fallout, so my highlight that I did on the bottom is gonna be messed up, but I can always fix that. And blending it away. I'm thinking this look up as I go along, guys. There's some really pretty colors in here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply hot contents. I'm just taking a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna put this on the lid. Again, you guys, I'm not a cut crease kind of girl. I'm not the pro at cut crease, but I'm trying to do my thing. This color is so pretty. Aww. I'm gonna go ahead again with my brush and blend. So pretty. A lot of fallout though. And this is definitely just glitter that I'm putting on my eyes. go ahead and blend again. I did go ahead and add more of the warning label, just the warning label, just to warm it up some more. I do like the more guys. Love it. So pretty. Love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same with the other eye. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and finish off with applying lashes. I did apply my highlight. I love this highlight by Fenty. This is really good. And again, this is I applied the Hustler Baby from the Kilowatts. And I applied some lashes. I'm not really good at applying lashes on camera. I'm not even good at applying lashes off camera. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and top it off with my MAC Fix Plus, and this really helps set your makeup and everything in place. So I really love this, and it also takes away from the powdery look on your face as well. That's why I love using this. And for my lips, I did go ahead and line my lips with the MAC lip liner in the color Currant, and then I just added the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Bittersweet to my lips. And yeah, I love a matte lipstick, so so yeah, definitely my go-to lipsticks. I want to try out some more Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks to see what colors will better work for me. If you like to see other makeup reviews or makeup hauls like this, then definitely leave those comments down below. And if you did like this makeup palette, y'all, this makeup palette is my new favorite. It has all the golds and the warm colors that I like, and out of all the three, this is definitely one that I would advise you to buy if you wanted to try something new, or if you're just getting into makeup and you wanted to, you know, dabble into some warm but bright colors, and definitely grab this. This is definitely my fave. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I do thank you guys so much for watching it all the way to the end. If you'd like to see more videos like this with me by myself reviewing or incorporating my husband, then definitely leave those in the comments below. I do thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I see you in another one. Bye!